Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide your Steam profile. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up Steam and then what you want to do is click onto your username profile, top right hand corner. Click onto that and then click on view my profile. This will bring you to the profile page of Steam. And then from here you want to click on under level, click on edit profile to bring you to another page where you can edit your profile. And now from here you want to click onto privacy settings on this left hand tab here, so click into that. And then as you can see, my profile is currently public. My basic details public. Your profile name and avatar are visible to anyone who visits your profile and are used to represent you in multiplayer games. So if you want to change this from public to private or friends only, so click on where it says my profile public, there's a little down arrow. So if I just want to do friends only or private, click onto any one of them. So for this demonstration, I'll click on private. And now it will say saved. And as you can see, game details is private, friends list private, inventory private, everything is private. And if you want to change it back from private to public or friends only, just simply click onto one of these. Also, while you're here, if I put this to public, right, so my profile is public, but if I want game details to set to friends only or private, you can change that to private or public. Likewise with friends list, you can change that from public to friends only or private, so you can muck around with those settings to change the privacy levels. So that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.